Process of evolution. Okay, as we studied, the first is protocell was and our parents suggest that conservates, but process of evolution nothing but how the process of evolution happen. Okay, evolution of life happen. One thing in your mind, evolution is happens between the group. Okay, not individual. As evolution occurs, genetic changes occur within population. Okay, and this lead to phenotypic changes that are commonly seen in that population. Changes in gene frequency in population over time constitute microevolution. Gene frequency, the change in the gene frequency is not in the population over a time constitute microevolution, means small evolution for that particular area. Okay, microevolution. For example, height of a human beings is common. But it is no evolution. The most probable, because our lifespan is more, we cannot see in ourselves that we have evolved or not. But in case of bacteria or microviruses, we can see that they evolved in the course of years. Okay, they have a high rate of reproduction. Therefore, we see the evolution in the small organism. Okay, population genetics. Population genetics means is all the members of the species occupying a particular area at the same time. Members of a population reproduce with each other to produce the next generation. Okay, population. Okay, the various alleles of all the genes loci in the all members make up the gene pool for the population. Next, Hardy and Weinberg. This was Hardy-Weinberg principle and binomial expression. Frequency of population is equal to 1. Okay, phenotypic frequency as well as when. And p square plus 2pq plus q square equal to 1 and p plus q whole square equal to 1. Okay, this was Hardy-Weinberg equation. And this equation told that it is nothing but expression or determination of gene frequency at a given time. Okay, at a given time, and it predict gene frequency in the future. Okay, if the reproduction is completely random, the Hardy-Weinberg equation predicts the same gene pool frequency generation of after the generation. Okay, if 1, therefore we conclude that 1 is if the gene frequency is similar, therefore the Hardy-Weinberg equation equal to 1. Using the Hardy-Weinberg equation, and p square is homozygous dominant individual and p is frequency of dominant allele, and q is frequency of recessive allele. Okay, 2pq is percentage of heterozygous individual. Okay, p plus q equal to 1. There are only 2 alleles. Okay, one is homozygous dominant and recessive. Okay, allele. And p square plus q, 2pq equal to q square equal to 1. There are only genotypes. And in this formula, we there are questions are coming from this question, Hardy-Weinberg principle. Similar is easy questions. For example, they give some like this. Q square is 60%. Here example, the investigator has determined by inspection that 60% of human population has a recessive trait. Okay, recessive trait, 60% recessive trait means q square equal to 60%. That means 0.16 q square. Then q equal to 0.4. Okay, then p square means 100 minus 16, that is p square. Okay, what do you mean 100 minus 16? Okay, and 0.6 into 0.6. Okay, p square nothing but 0.6 into 0.6. Okay, 1 minus 0.16 means okay 0.36 dominant allele. 84% of dominant phenotype. It is important, and in next we study. I will show that, give some examples.